All right, good morning, Westminster, Colorado. Good old red. First order of business is bacon. Gonna make us some breakfast. Happy Mother's Day to all you mothers out there.
Beautiful me.
Cruising and bruising the streets of Estes Park, baby. Yo.
Got a lot of traffic going on. That's okay. All these peasants waiting in line. National Parks Pass, boy, right here. Yo. All right, starting the trail. Heading up to Deer Mountain. How you feel about it? You ready?
Ready for a 3-mile trek?
Yeah. Is that how long it said it was?
That's how long.
All right. Out here trying to do the Bear Mountain Trail. Not going too well. We're slipping, we're falling,
We're sliding.
I'm snatching. It's all good though. We're trooping.
Just reached the summit back there, and now we're on like a different trail.
Alright, so we got to the top of Bear Mountain, we think.
Yeah, we did, maybe.
How do you feel about that hike up?
Yeah, that was tough.
Treacherous. Treacherous.
Slippy and slidey. It is still
Yes.
snowy.
Sloshing up that hill.
Slosh City.
Slosh City, hashtag Slosh City, LOTR. Living life on the ridge.
Hiking it up.
Use. We're right next to Coors Field.
Field for all the Coors, Colorado.
Yeah.
Downtown Denver.
We just hit up our old friend Emily from nursing school. So I had to go hit up some bars by Coors Field. There's a car right there. Get some more beer.
Coors Field. Welcome. Rockies like losing there.
Reggie's showing me Lodo, which is lower downtown of Denver.
Pretty alright. Good food, good times, good beer.
Beer.